In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer clips on CapCut PC. If you need to stack text, graphics, or even a second video clip directly on top of your main background footage so everything plays at the same time, this is the simplest way to do it on CapCut for desktop. To begin, look down at your timeline workspace. It helps to think of the timeline like layers of paper stacked on a desk. Your main video clip, such as your base screen recording or primary footage, should sit on the very bottom row. In CapCut, that bottom row is your main track, sometimes called Track 1. This is the foundation of your edit, so in most cases that's where your core video should live before you start adding anything on top. Once your main clip is in place, the next step is to add something above it. Go up to your media assets or your text panel, depending on what you want to overlay. Then click and hold the item you want to use and drag it down into the timeline. The key here is not to drop it next to your existing clip in a back-to-back sequence. Instead, place it in the empty space directly above your first clip. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically creates a brand new track lane for you called Track 2. That's the basic layering action, and once you see it happen, it becomes very intuitive. Your original clip stays on the bottom, and your new element now sits above it, which means both can play at the same time. This is exactly how you can place titles over video, add graphics over gameplay or tutorials, or bring in supporting footage without replacing your main shot. You can continue stacking layers the same way whenever you need more visual elements. For example, if you drag a sticker or a highlight shape down and drop it above Track 2, CapCut will create Track 3. If needed, you can keep building upward with more layers. The most important rule to remember is this: the clip placed on the highest track will appear in the very front on your video screen. In other words, higher tracks visually sit on top of lower tracks. So if something is being covered up or not showing the way you expect, check which track it's on first. And that's really all there is to it. Multi-track stacking and layer order in CapCut PC are very easy once you understand how the timeline works. You're all set, done.